We're the Pasadena Livestock Show and Rodeo.
Here we go, let's ride another bronc right here.
We're a group of about 2,000 volunteers.
There, got the fur snapping.
And what we're here for is to raise money for the kids to further their education in our community. Supporting Pasadena, Deer Park, San Jacinto College, and Boys and Girls Harbor. And basically we're giving out scholarships. This year we gave out more than $100,000 in scholarships. We are ranked in the top 10 in the entire state of Texas. We are the single largest event in southeast Harris County.
Doesn't matter how far back, you got a spur to the front.
We've been at it for a long time. We put on a PRCA professional rodeo. We have great entertainment. We got great vendors out here and good food. It's just good family fun. It's up in the air throughout the whole rodeo performance. At the end of the rodeo performance, the stage starts to lower down, and it only takes 2.5 minutes to get the stage to the ground. There's not another one in the whole state of Texas that drops down. The stage not only drops down from the roof that the entertainer will get on and sing, it also rotates. It makes you feel like you're on the front row in every seat that you're in.